What's up everybody, welcome to another video on how to take videos. Today I'll be showing you another 4 ways how ChatGPT is literally a lifesaver for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you guys should know that ChatGPT is literally like your personal writer. You can ask whatever you want and it's gonna answer you pretty much everything about it. But let's suppose you wanted to ask anything personal, right? It's an email to my boss regarding 2 leaves I took because of food poisoning, and now you can see it is so formal and professional. It added a subject, it added that dear boss's name and the best regards, the signing, everything is just flawless. And you can see that it just seems a little too short. Could you please maybe add some details? And look at that, that is just so beautiful. Like, I wasn't able to come to the office because of my condition. I kept in touch with my team, ensured my work was covered while I was away. That is so thoughtful. I personally could not write such a good email. So it is literally a lifesaver. It can help you in every single little thing that you might need a virtual assistant for. It is your personal assistant, personal writer. It is just so good. And that is not the end to it. Another cool feature about ChatGPT is the TLDR feature. Now, what is TLDR? TLDR basically means too long, didn't read. You can just add that, and then boom, you can just summarize a whole passage into something as short as 1 or 2 paragraphs. Let me show you how it's done. Now suppose we were talking about the Wikipedia page of an acoustic guitar. We can just go ahead and copy all of this, right? And then we can just paste it onto ChatGPT, and we're gonna add our command TLDR. So we are going to write TLDR, and then we're just gonna paste it and hit enter. And now it's gonna take some time, and now look, it didn't even take that much time. It is just straight up summarizing it, and let's just see how long it takes. And it's done. Look at that. That was a long passage, and it just literally summarized it into just like 10 lines. So that is impressive. That is literally a lifesaver. Okay, let's just think of something else, something different, something more personal, something less professional. Like, for example, yesterday was my friend's birthday, so let's see if we can get him a present. So now look at that, it just added it just starts up with, it depends upon his interest. That is like really good, because I didn't really give him anything, but for a 24-year-old guy it gave us 10 suggestions. But if we were supposed to optimize it, we could just add, like, he is more of a PC gamer guy, so now it's gonna tell you if your friend is a PC gamer. There are several different gift options, and now it's gonna give you all the gift suggestions, and I don't know how much will it give, but I assure you this is gonna be good. So let's stick and find out. And there you have it, 8 suggestions that are related to PC gaming, and this one is actually a good suggestion. Obviously I cannot afford it for him, but a gaming monitor is definitely a good gift for him, and he would definitely appreciate it. But you get the gesture, you get the idea how it works, and that is what ChatGPT is here for, and that is another way ChatGPT is helping you in your life. So let's just try one more last thing, which could go towards a little bit to the academic sector. Like, could you write me a code? Okay, let's just go straight to the point. Write a code in Java to traverse through a uh, 10-digit array. And you can see how beautiful this is. Obviously this is something for computer programmers and coders, but you get how beautiful this is. It literally changes the whole view. This is the consoles font that is usually used, and that is just so to the point. Like, this code is so to the point and perfect, and it is also giving you an explanation. So if you're copying, you should know that what you're copying, and that is beautiful. And it also gives you an alternative way on how you can, code this. So that is 4 ways how ChatGPT is helping you in your real life, and the possibilities are endless. I will see you in the next one, and there are a couple more ChatGPT videos coming soon. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you.